What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make free money. This is a never before seen method. I promise you have never seen it. It's going to be mind-blowing. I promise you. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. Before we get started, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to make money online. This is actually going to be probably one of my best videos yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first of all, I want to let you know that this method is never been seen before, okay? So here's the thing though, okay? I'm going to warn you that you can make money. It's going to make you money, but if you abuse the system, it's not going to work in the future. And the problem is, I feel like, people are going to start seeing this video and they're going to start doing it, but they're going to start abusing the system and it's not going to work. So it will work probably for the next 6 months to a year until people just start flooding this, this system, this hack, and it's not going to work. So take advantage while you can. But this is what you're going to need, okay? You're going to need 2 core accounts. You're going to need a Pico Workers account. You're going to need a question. You're going to need an answer, and then about $10 to start. You can probably do it with about $5, but about $10 is the best thing you can do, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing, okay? It's going to be a little in depth, and I'm going to try to explain everything, step by step, but this absolutely works. I've done it, and it's crazy. Like, you can literally make a lot of money, or you can blow up like your YouTube channel or your blog. Like, it's crazy, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so a quick overview of what we're doing, okay? So we're basically going to grab an offer, so something that is proven to sell, okay? So we're going to grab an offer. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then we're going to structure a question around that offer, and then basically we're dictating the question in the answer, and then we're posting it on Quora, and then we're going to have Pico Workers boost the answer, okay? So that's kind of just the overview. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so I got you guys. Okay, so first of all, why are we using Quora? Well, there's about 300 million visits per day, so we're going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to show you how to kind of hack the system here, okay? All right. Step 1. All right, so we're going to find a product that we know will sell, okay, because we want to make money, right? So we're going to find a product that we know that can sell. So we're going to go to clickbank.com, and basically we're going to find a product, okay? So ClickBank is free. You can sign up for an account. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but basically, if you go to ClickBank here, we're going to find a product that we know is going to sell. Like, it's proven to sell, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? So I'm going to sign in here. Actually, I'm just going to ClickBank Marketplace. Okay, I'm gonna go to ClickBank Marketplace. All right, let's see here. I guess I do have to sign in here. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm in the marketplace. Let's just say we're doing health and fitness. Okay, so you just go health and fitness, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do sort by gravity, and gravity means like people are making a ton of money with this. Like, gravity means like how many affiliates are actually making money. So this gravity score is super high. So let's just like say we're gonna do this one here, okay? So this is about health and fitness. We know a lot of people are into health and fitness, so we're gonna use this offer here, okay? So let's just see what this is here. So if we click this, it's Cinderella's solution. How one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine. So super hypey. That's fine, whatever. So let's just say we want to promote this, okay? So we got to find keywords that are about this. So obviously it's about weight loss, right? So what we're going to do is, so step 1 is finding the offer, okay? So we know that offer, okay? So let's just say we're going to hit promote, and we're going to grab this link here, okay? So you're going to add your account nickname. So once you create your account, you can basically grab your account nickname, okay? So very easy. So you're going to generate a link, okay? So this link here, we're going to get this link, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna add, so we got that, so we got link. Okay, so we're just gonna, because we got that done. Okay, step 2 is finding keywords around that offer. Okay, so we're gonna use Google Keyword Planner, and we're gonna find keywords between 10,000 and 100,000 a month. Okay, and the reason is because people are searching this stuff, so we want to manipulate, or we want to use Quora to be able to drive people to our offer and make money. Okay, that's basically what we're doing. But okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google Keyword Planner. Okay, this is absolutely free to use. You do have to have an account. It's like a Google ad account, so if you were running ads, it's kind of a free tool that you can use. But I'm gonna use it not to run ads. Obviously, I'm just using it for the keyword research, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go into my account here. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the keyword research based on the product I'm promoting, which is losing weight, right? So I'm going to go in the keyword planner. I'm going to see what keywords I can use, okay? So I'm going to go in here, and then basically we're going to go to the keyword planner. So once it loads, okay, so we're going to go discover new keywords. And basically, let's just type in lose weight, okay? Oops. I'm going to do lose weight. Get results. Okay, so it's going to give us a ton of keywords here, and then, so check it out. So average monthly searches between 10,000 and 100,000. That's kind of what we're looking for, okay? So fastest way to lose weight, that's a good one. You know, so all these keywords you can use, and basically what we're going to do is, so I'm going to give you a resource that's going to really help you, okay? So this whole resource is going to be given to you. It's going to be the link in the description below, but basically I'm going to give you everything you need to make this work, okay? So all this is here, okay? This is going to be for you, okay? This is going to be exactly what you need to get started, okay? So what we're going to do is, I'm going to give you this here, okay? This is all going to be what you need, okay? So this is going to be the template to ask on Quora. So you're going to ask these questions using the keywords, okay? So basically, if we're promoting that weight loss offer, we're going to go back here and say, let's just say we want to use this keyword here, fastest way to lose weight, okay? Let's just say we want to use that. So if you go to my resource here, what do you think? Okay, what's the easiest way to lose weight, or something like that? So if we have our keyword in here, so you can even do what is the fastest way to lose weight, okay? Or what is the fastest way to lose weight? Yeah, so that's a question there, okay? So you can either use these here to structure your question correctly, or you can just say, you know, always add like a how do I, or what do I, you know, ask a good question. It's basically, that's all you're doing here, okay? So that is how you would do that, okay? And what we're going to do is, so we go here to step 2, is we found the keyword, okay? So the keyword is, you know, what was it here? Let me go back. Fastest way to lose weight, okay? That is the keyword, fastest way to lose weight. But we got to make that into a question, right? So we're going to go into Quora, and we're going to ask a question. So let's just say add a question. Fastest way to lose weight. What is the fastest way to lose weight? Okay, and you can literally ask this question, okay? Now, I'm not going to go with this question because that's not the offer I want to promote. I'm going to show you, you know, what I actually did and what I'm like for my business, okay? So I'm trying to promote my YouTube channel, and I'm trying to promote my offers. So I'm going to show you exactly what I would do for me personally, okay? So I teach people how to do affiliate marketing online. So that's what I'm going to ask, okay? So for example here, I asked this question: how do I start affiliate marketing? Okay, so what you would do is, let's just say I was going to ask this question again. Heck, let's just do it again. Okay, so I'm going to ask a question. Okay, I'm going to structure this a little different. Okay, so let's just say let's go back to my template here, and let's just say, let's just see here. Let's just say, does affiliate marketing still work? Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna go here and just say, does. I'm doing this all on the fly, guys, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? We can do that. Okay. So, does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? Okay, so you're going to need 2 Quora accounts, okay? One to ask the question and one to answer the question, okay? So, that's what we're going to be doing, okay? So, we're going to have that here. And here's the thing. You want to have 2 different accounts. So, this one I have as my name. So, we don't want to have that because I'm going to be answering, you know, to go to my YouTube channel or whatever. So, that just wouldn't work. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change that here in a little bit. But so, does affiliate marketing still work? So yeah, don't worry about the name. I'm going to be changing that once I upload the video. Okay, so does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? Okay, remember, I'm promoting me. I'm promoting my product, but as like a different person. Okay, so I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, so I'm asking the question. I'm going to ask that question. Okay. All right, so it's going to ask you this. Just say ask original question. Don't do the suggestion, okay? Ask original question, okay? And we're going to add question anyways, okay? Perfect. So the question is there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the link. Okay, so it said that it was answered already. Okay, so we're going to ask it again then. Okay. Does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? Oh. Let's see if it'll work this time. Okay, it keeps telling me it's been asked. Let me try this one more time, guys. Okay, does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? And how would I get started? Let's do that. Okay. Ask question. Let's see if that works. Ask original question. There we go. Okay, good. So now it's going to ask you about the topics. Okay, verify that. Okay, so it's about all this stuff. Making money online, affiliate marketer, wanting to make money online, digital marketer. It's about all that stuff, right? So confirm topics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to answer the question using a different account. Okay, so you need 2 accounts. Remember, they're free. So I'm going to go here and okay, does affiliate marketing still work in 2020? How would I get started? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link here because that's the question. I have another account here, so I'm going to go in and click this here, and I'm simply going to answer the question. Okay, so I'm gonna follow, and I'm going to simply answer this question here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to, let's see here, comment. Answer. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, I was okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go answer, and we're gonna answer the question. Okay, so I have a template for you guys right here. So if we go here, this is all gonna be for you. Okay, so you can literally just copy and paste this. Okay. So I have this here. How do I start? That's the question I asked, right? Okay, but now I have the answer. Okay, so this is a good question. You know, about affiliate marketing, blah blah blah. It's going back to my YouTube channel, basically. Okay. That's basically all I'm trying to do is driving back to my YouTube channel and my offer, as you can see here. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? But for you guys, you're gonna grab an offer from ClickBank if you don't have a YouTube channel, anything like that. But you're grabbing your offer and you're putting your offer within here, okay? Does that make sense? So yes, that's what you're doing. So you're going here and you're gonna answer the question using your other account, okay? And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out the bold. Okay, all this is here. So this is going back to my YouTube channel, and then this is going to an offer that I have. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so we're going to submit. Perfect. So now I answered my own question using a different account, different name, everything. So what we're going to do is, obviously people are searching this. Okay, so I've already done the keyword research on this specific keyword. We know people are searching this. Now, we need people to upvote it. We need people to upvote it in Quora to show that's the top answer. Google's going to show it at the top, and we're going to get a ton of free traffic, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link here, okay? We're going to copy this link, and we're going to have people upvote it, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our resource section here, okay? And we're going to go to step, where are we at here? Okay, so step 3 was post as a regular user, and then answer as a different user. So we did step 3. Step 4 is boost the answer using Pico Workers. Okay, so what Pico Workers is a service that does little micro tasks. So you want like a lot of people upvoting this stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna post a small job, and we're simply going to have people upvote that. Okay, so we're gonna start a new job. International is the best because it's the cheapest, so we're gonna go international. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna go to other, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do let's just say at least let's just say 60 people. Okay, we want 60 people to upvote that, okay? And 5 cents. I would just say 10 cents, okay? just so we can have people, they want to do this. It's super easy. They're going to do it. Okay, so this is all copy and paste. I already have this for you guys. So we're going to go here and I'm going to copy and paste this, okay? Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. This is the core upvote and answer. This is the template for the post, okay? So I have this all written out for you guys, okay? So we're going to go here. I'm going to add the template, and then what needs to be done, that's going to be all right here, okay? Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to go back and to Pico Workers. Okay, so open the following page. So this is going to be the Quora question, right? Or the answer, right? This is going to be the answer. So we can go here, and basically we're going to go here, and we're going to copy this. I'm going to copy that link here. Go back to Pico Workers. That's the link we want them to go to. And then make sure you click upvote if you don't know how. Watch this. So I actually created this video for you guys showing people how to do an upvote. So like if they don't know how to do it, they can watch this and they can learn how to do that, okay, if they don't know how to do it. Okay, so that is all for free. And then once you click submit, it will say that you upvoted. Please share a screenshot and show me that you uploaded it here, okay? So, and then for the proof, we're going to copy this here. Basically, we're going to go into Pico Workers and just as proof, we're just going to add this screenshot of the upvote in your account email that you used, okay? That is all we're doing, okay? So I did that, and we're going to go submit job. And that's it, guys. That is it, okay? So now what's going to happen is, obviously the question we asked is highly searched, right? So it's highly searched, and you're going to get a lot of people to that question. Even you can even ask questions like this and you're still going to get a lot of traffic. But the way I'm showing you is you're getting people to dictate that question, that answer higher. Okay, so when we do that, then a lot of people are going to see that as the first question, as the first answer, and you're going to get a lot of traffic. So you're going to make a ton of money, and I've done this. It works. It's amazing. Do not abuse it. I promise you that people are going to abuse it. It's not going to work anymore. But take advantage for now. For the next year in 2020, it should be okay. And moving forward, we will see. I will do another video, and I'll let you know. But I am doing this like crazy. I've asked tons and tons of questions, going to my affiliate offers, going to my YouTube, going to multiple offers, and it's working. So obviously, I just spent the money. I just showed you how to do it step by step. So anyways, if you want this free resource here, it's going to be linked in the description below. It's going to give you all the copy and paste templates you need, so you can literally just copy and paste and you're ready to go. Okay, so you don't have to worry about starting over. So that's going to be linked in the description below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.